I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in.
Alvin, all my lives, I've been searching for true love. The journey of finding Mr. Right hasn't been easy, but I've always had faith that I someday will find true love. In March 19, 2015, faith has brought us together on our first date at Bocce di Beppo. I was a little nervous meeting you in person. I remember seeing you for the first time, you giving me a big smile, warm smile. I thought to myself, what a good-looking guy. After 5 minutes into our conversation, I felt instant connection with you. Who would have thought a simple bocce ball game would lead to our marriage today? Over the past year, you brought me many laughter and joy. Thank you for opening your heart to me. You are my best friends, and you can always count on me. I know the journey of marriage will not be easy, but I believe it's a special bond. It cannot be broken. It will get stronger no matter how hard it gets.
Stronger than anyone I know. He shares my dreams. I hope that someday we'll share our home. I found love.
To be my wife and I to be your husband. I promise to love you, to cherish you, and be the person worthy of you.
Still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright.
As we move forward, building our own home and family, love, honesty, and trust will be our foundation. I will be your pillar, and you will be my pillar. And as we move forward in the future, I hope that we build a roof of, happiness and laughter together.
When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
I promise that every morning I'll have a kiss ready for you when you wake up, and I'll have another one ready for you when you're ready to close your eyes and begin dreaming about us.
Dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass while listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met
An angel in person,
and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
I love you so much, and as we grow older, our love will grow even more.